So my name is Mohammad Danial, and I'm working as a resident surgeon at Holy Family Hospital, Rawalpindi, and I have scored 90% thanks to the Rida Harvey courses. The team is excellent, the program is excellent, scheduling, and the course material provided by Dr. Rida Harvey's team was excellent. The team is available 24/7. The difference was with the recall discussions and the recall material. The lectures also made a difference in my preparation, and the whole team was really helpful with the course and everything. And that helped me score 90%. I may have passed it, but the confidence that the program gave me towards the end, that was really good. Thank you.